Hello guys, welcome to another video on WP Blogger YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to enable this padlock on our WordPress site. That is how to make our site HTTPS enabled. This padlock shows our site is encrypted and it also boosts user confidence. So we are going to learn how to have one on our blog. And when somebody enters our blog URL here, this padlock will show in the address bar of the person's browser. Before we get started into this video, if you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and enable the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my awesome tutorials. Like this video and don't forget to share with your friends. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. I also want you to know that this site is hosted by Bluehost. It's the recommended WordPress hosting platform for beginners. So guys, click on the link below this video to bring you to the home page of Bluehost here. Just click on get started and you'll be taken to this page. Select your duration and select a package and get started with the easiest beginner-friendly WordPress hosting platform on the internet. Now let's get started into today's video. Now, SSL is a requirement to even rank on Google. SSL is already a requirement to have a WordPress shop. That is, if you want to run an e-commerce shop with your WordPress site, you need to have SSL enabled. Connection is secured. You need to have this. By default, most hosting platform comes with free SSL. If your hosting platform doesn't come with free SSL, my advice to you is to leave immediately and join Bluehost. On Bluehost, you get free SSL certificate. So if your hosting platform doesn't offer you free SSL, please leave and come to Bluehost. Any website you install on Bluehost comes with SSL enabled. So let me go into my Bluehost portal here. So this is WP Tools Guide, the website we've been using for our tutorials. And as you can see, we have SSL certificate, Let's Encrypt enabled. It's turned on. That is why we have this padlock here. By default, you might not know that your SSL certificate has been installed. So follow this step-by-step guide. Don't skip any step of this video and learn how to fully activate the SSL certificate from your WordPress admin dashboard. We are going to install a plugin, so I'll come to the plugin section and click on add new. Let's search for SSL here. And this is a plugin we are going to use to have SSL enabled on our site. So we'll click on install now and click on activate. Once our plugin has been activated successfully, we've been redirected to the settings page, and you can find the settings page on the left hand side of your admin dashboard. Come to the settings area, you will find WP Force SSL here. So Force SSL is on. We don't need to turn on straight transport security, so it's off here. And let's hit save changes. Once our changes have been saved successfully. Let's test that our site is having SSL installed, and we can have this padlock that shows that our content is secured. Everything is working perfectly here, like I've already shown you that I have SSL installed. But in your case, if it's not happening this way, install this plugin, follow these steps, and have the SSL enabled. And like I said, if your hosting platform doesn't give you free SSL certificate, migrate from there to Bluehost. So let's click on test SSL certificate. Test completed successfully. Valid SSL certificate found. So guys, this is how easy it is to have your WordPress site SSL enabled. I don't want to go into technical details of you manually installing your own SSL. I believe I am dealing with WordPress beginners here who don't know anything about coding and all these technicalities. So use this step-by-step guide and enable your site with SSL. Once again, go for a hosting platform that gives you free SSL automatically, that you don't need to install your own SSL certificate manually. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, give me the thumbs up, click on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are not a subscriber. Also, enable the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of these tutorials. Share this video with your friends, and if you have any other questions, leave them in the comment box below. Before I take leave of you, I want to remind you that I have prepared some WordPress resources for beginners. You can find these resources in the description box below this video. Check these resources. They are meant to help you immensely in your WordPress blogging journey. Until I come your way with another awesome tutorial, it's bye-bye from WP Blogger.